Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to draw a young, cute little Harry Potter. So come join me as we draw the famous wizard. Hey guys, so let's get started drawing Harry Potter. I'm going to draw a younger Harry Potter. This is my favorite. We'll start up here. We'll start with his hair. Just make a big arc. And then draw a couple of hair coming up this way, and maybe we'll draw some coming down here. I like all the Harry Potters, but I think my favorite movies are the first couple ones when they were younger kids. Seem a little more lighthearted and fun. Put some shading over here on his hair. Let's see. The lightning bolt, I think it's like this. So here's his hair. Put some shading up there. Maybe draw a few more hair strands coming down. And here's the bottom of his ear. This one's covered up by his hair. And then we'll draw the bottom of his face. Come up like that. And then we'll draw his, make his glasses a little bit bigger, just for fun. I actually read the Harry Potter books when I was in college. I remember reading them while I was waiting for class to start. Let's see, we'll put his nose here. There's his nose. There's more of his hair peeking out back here. And we'll draw his neck coming down. I actually didn't know a lot about Harry Potter when he first came out. It was, I think I didn't really start reading his books till the third one was out, so I was a little bit behind, but once I started reading them, I couldn't put them down. Love those books, really good. I'm going to put his eyebrow up here, and then we'll give him his little smile. So here's, I kind of made his head too tall, but that's okay. And then let's see, we'll make his couple little, it's almost a triangle right here. Then you come down, make a V for his tie, and then this is almost a V shape right here. Let's see, it's a V. Pretty much all of drawing is just shapes and lines and breaking everything down into simple shapes. And then this is his robes. So let's go ahead and kind of fill this in a little bit. Oh, there's Harry Potter. Okay, let's see, maybe we'll have him holding his wand. So we'll do, here's his fingers, just almost like a U shape. Here's it. And here's his robes coming down. And then, let's see, I don't remember what exactly his wand looks like, but I'll just kind of do something like this. Here, ta-da, yay! And then it's shooting out some sparks here. So there's a pretty simple little Harry Potter. Let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and color his hair. So for his hair is brown, so I'll get someone to use watercolor. I like to use watercolor. You could use markers or colored pencil, crayon. But I'm gonna use some watercolor. So I got some brown here on my brush. Just gonna go over, get some more color on the brush and just kind of fill in his hair. I think up here I'm gonna leave this part white up here so it's like a reflection of the light shining on his hair. Maybe some right there too. See how if you leave that white, it adds a little bit of dimension and depth to it. You can see right here that my ink wasn't dry yet. That's okay. So let's do, let's see, get a little bit of a light kind of tannish color for his skin. Now I could just go around his glasses like that. You can see right here where it's bleeding. I didn't let my ink dry enough. Should have waited a little bit. But that looks kind of that looks kind of funny. So we'll go in, fill in around his glasses. Oh, I forgot his hand. So come over here. There's his hand. And oh, yeah, let's see. And you can see right here the hair bled into this color because I'm trying to do this fast, but I should wait a little bit and let some of this stuff dry. But it's kind of neat, kind of blends in. So for his hair, I'm going to add a little bit of, I think I'm going to add a little bit of purple for some shadows here. A little bit of shading. Just kind of come down with it. I don't know how that's going to work. We'll see. And then for his face, let's see, maybe some red. I got a little bit of red left over from painted the apples the other day, so kind of come down, and I'm just going under his hair, because if your hair hangs over your face like that, it puts a little bit in shadow. We'll do a little bit under his nose, under his chin. Maybe just kind of feather it out a little bit here. And then keep forgetting his hand over here. And let's see. Since there would be shadow over here, I'm just going to get a little bit of gray. Just kind of a little bit. Add a little bit of depth around there. And let's see, what else can we do? Oh, his wand. I think his wand's just a light brown, maybe. So we'll just kind of get some light brown there. And I think Gryffindor is a maroon. I hope I got that right. So I think it's like maroon and gold. So for gold, I've got kind of an orangish yellow here. There you go. That maroon should probably be a lot darker if I remember correctly. Let's see if I can mix up some red, maybe a touch of brown in here. Then if we wanted to, I'm going to get some dark brown on the brush. Not a lot of water, just more pigment on the brush. And we'll just kind of draw in a few more strands of hair. Just add a little bit of detail. You don't have to do this, of course, but I'm just curious to see how it's going to look. Don't want to overdo it. Just try a few and see how it looks. Can always go back and add more if I wanted to. Okay, so there's Harry Potter. I think what I might do is take my brush, and I like to put a little bit of a background just for fun. Just kind of make it pop a little bit. So I've got kind of this bluish green. I'll just kind of paint like a little bit around him so he's not just out there in white space. Just kind of go around it a little bit. I'm going to leave kind of white around the magic wand. And we'll come back on this side. Do a little bit. So there, I guess that kind of looks like Harry Potter. And then for last, we've got some of this same color from his tie. Kind of makes him, like, I don't know, kind of looks like a sparkler. But that's that. But I think I'm gonna take some of this white gouache that I've got and maybe do a little bit of white. Oops. A little bit of white going across, create a little bit, a few more highlights here. And there we go. Harry Potter. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything you would like to see me draw, just let me know. Leave it in the comments, shoot me an email, and I'll put it up there and give you a shout out. Hey, and be sure to check out ctupa.com. It's got links to a whole bunch of different art I've done, pop culture, Disney, Route 66. And you can also see my store. I've got some original artwork for sale. And thank you very much. See you next time.